So it's kind of hard to see this, but I was able to unseize the snap ring on this whilst simultaneously destroying the little flimsy ramp ring that John Deere gives you with these rebuild kits, these repack kits. So as I was trying to pull it out and destroying this ramp ring, if you will, I'm not sure what they're called, proprietary, you gotta pay money to use that word, ramp ring, I guess. I unseated the snap ring and I was able to get my pick set underneath it and actually start pulling it out of the channel. It's hard to tell, but this side's still in the channel, this side is out. So I'm going to put my iPro on and my fancy Kevlar mechanics gloves and try to go beast mode and get this thing out of here. Fingers crossed. Kind of see it's pretty much out. So all right, I did not think I was going to be able to repack this thing today. I thought I was going to have to wait till tomorrow, go back to John Deere, get a whole nother kit for 40 bucks and repack this actuator tomorrow. But good news, ingenuity wins the day. Good old wire twister pliers, lock wire pliers, whatever you want to call them. Aviation type. Yardstore.com sells them if you ever want to get you some. Looky there, boys and girls. Beautiful. Cannot believe that. Fantastic. Alright, I'm going to cut it there because there's about 8 million other videos on YouTube that show you how to rebuild cylinders and replace packings. But the airplane ingenuity wins the day on the snap ring. I also forgot to mention luck. In the process of destroying this little stupid ramp ring, it's hard to tell, but it kind of sort of has a cross section of an airfoil or a ramp. I got lucky.